Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GCP with Mahesh. Today we are going to see release notes, a very important reference material for all cloud architects. Let's see the importance of that. Let's get started. So before we look into the release notes stuff, so as a cloud architect, we should be aware of the various product launches which happens in GCP. So usually a product which is generally available is better. The reason is you get a complete SLA, service level agreement. So there are few products which will usually go a software development life cycle. Usually it starts with early access, alpha, beta, all those things. So when you are at these stages, right, usually you will have no support, no SLA, no technical support. So you need to take a calculated risk whether you should go with this product or not. And there are few products which will be something like preview, public preview, all those things. So and there are few products which is going to be end of life. So basically as a cloud architect, whenever you are proposing any solution, make sure it is always generally available. GA, that's the most important thing to know whether the products are generally available. The material till yesterday, which most of the cloud architects was using, was this URL, cloud.google.com/release-notes, where it's going to show all the products release notes. So, and you can also get an RSS feed if you want to just copy this. You're going to get that. So this was good one, but you have to search it. So you see the history. It goes to a long time, so it's going to become little difficult for everybody to scan through it, and this is where the GCP console really rocks. So what is that feature which has come up? So now next to the news, you have a new feature called as read all release notes. This is the cool feature I feel. So if I just click on it, it's going to show me the entire same stuff which we saw here. Slightly a lag is there. So here it shows 5th of February. So here it shows 8. So basically couple of notes are not there. Basically the last one is PayPal is what they mentioned. So anything afterwards it's not picking up. Maybe it's a new feature. It should come up soon is what I feel. But still this release notes is having up-to-date information. So the new feature which we see in the dashboard, it's a cool feature. So if you just go to the main dashboard, just below your news, you have this option, read all release notes, and it's going to show you the stuffs. Now, what is this to do with Cloud Architect? Because as I mentioned, which product is generally available, which is not which is in beta. So to do that, it's going to be a really handy option, right? So if, for example, you search for a specific product, say for example, workflows. So if I just search it, it's going to show me the current status. Now workflows are generally available, meaning it's an indication, and it's generally available from when? 25th of January 2021, meaning I can easily use workflows in my design. So, and I'm going to get a specific SLA for that and a support also. So it's a good one, right? So that way you can do it. Say for example, if you want to do specifically a type where there is any deprecation happening. So definitely you should avoid such versions. For example, Composer 1.10.9, the Airflow version is going to be deprecated. So avoid using such products or such specific version in your design. So this is going to be a very handy tool. And if you wanted to see for some specific products, you put this filter, or you wanted to search for with a description, search for it. It's a very cool thing. So I thought this was itself was awesome. So this itself was awesome. Then what Google has done is they have gone one level ahead, and what they have done is for individual services. For example, the few things which I was able to find out was App Engine. When I go to App Engine page, at the bottom, like usually we used to have uh, marketplace. Now they have also added release notes as a channel, this thing option. So now if I click, so it's going to put a filter automatically for me. Now I will be very much focused what products are going to be deprecated, what is going to be changed. So that's going to be a very cool option, right? So this feature is added in few services which I have explored. App Engine is one. Similarly, the most favorite one, Compute Engine. If you just go to Compute Engine, you have Marketplace, plus you also have release notes. Just click on this. It's going to show you compute engine, migrate for compute engine, TPUs, everything. So basically it's how once you have an interface, how you can put search option basically is what they are trying to leverage here. So you get what are the features which is generally available. Now if you want, you can also put a filter. Maybe if you are interested in a specific product, for example cloud run, you can get it. So cloud run, it shows you that it's basically a search option which you're trying to do, and it's going to show something on cloud run also. Let me see whether it's showing up uh, something on cloud run. Yes, cloud run also it is showing. So app engine, I'm able to see that. Compute engine, I'm able to see it. Then networking is an important one. So for there also they have added this feature. So if I click on this release notes, all the networking services which is generally available. So 3rd of February, identity aware proxy support is supported for internal HTTPS load balancing. This is a very cool feature. So only when we look into this kind of release notes, we can definitely make a robust architecture basically. So this is going to definitely helpful. And the last one, without BigQuery, how can we leave the demonstration? So definitely BigQuery for also they have added this feature, which is just basically when you click on it, it's going to show BigQuery, the product which is BigQuery all. So it's going to show basically what has been easily recently been done. So good features shows what has been added. So more changes have been happened for BigQuery ML. So that's what it indicates. So this way we know which product is generally available, which is going to be deprecated, which to position, which not to position. Because as a cloud architect, that's the main role, right? What component to use and whether that component can have support. What's the SLA for it? Those are all going to be decided by basically by your release notes. Now, fortunately, we have a very good user interface to search for it. So that's a video which I wanted to share today, folks, about release notes. So next time when you design your architecture, please make a note whether the feature which you are putting is generally available. So that's going to make it a robust architecture plus technical support and an SLA. So that's the video. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.